Hello and welcome on my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I share IELTS reading video. I share 4 tips for getting higher score in reading test. The first is synonym and anthem. Synonym and anthem are extremely important in IELTS reading because reading is a vocabulary test. Paraphrasing, synonym and anthem are used in questions and in passages. This has become a big trap in reading. As a result, most students spend a lot of time on few questions and can't attempt the 40 questions. You must read books, newspaper and watch TV and radio talk shows in English. Time is limited and you have to solve 40 questions in 1 hour. So learn a wide range of synonyms and anthems for reading. If you know a wide range of vocabulary, it saves your time. Some important topics which are commonly repeated such as science, economics, environment, global warming, pollution, technology, history, travel, etc. You must learn important words related to these topics. The next one, frequency words. These words play key role to find the right answer, especially in true, false and not given questions. For example, you always pay attention on always, usually, normally, generally, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly and never. The third one, negative words. Many students don't pay close attention on negative words like hardly, never, rarely, seldom, only, not often, etc. These words are very important in IELTS reading. It's true that students find wrong answers due to negative words. These words give opposite information in questions or passages, which create confusion in students as well as waste the time. So pay close attention always on these words. The next one, time consuming. Some questions are difficult and very hard to find the answers, which are often time consuming. I suggest you to the all students, don't solve these questions before and solve these questions at the end. I suggest to the all students that leave these questions and attempt at the end. So I discussed the 4 points of related to reading test. I hope this is very useful for your reading test. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for my new videos.